In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can rename your field values in a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let's just say, for example, we wanted sum of units sold to be total units sold instead of sum of units sold, just because that will look better. To do this, we can go to where we have our pivot table fields and right click or click on the down arrow of the value that we have. Now we're going to click on field value settings. And we're going to change the custom name right here. And we're going to have it be total units sold. Click OK. As you can see, it's total units sold right here. And just say we didn't want the country to be there. We wanted it to be blank. We can change country with a blank space and click OK. Now it is blank. But that creates a bit of a problem because the column name is also blank. Another thing that you can do is you can just go into the cell and manually change it like you would other text. So I'm going to change this with a space, just how it appears blank. And as you can see, that's also changed right there in the columns. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.